Hey, what's good everybody? Yo, sesiyisikhathi ngingayenzi i-video for my YouTube channel. Otherwise, ngiyathemba ugredi, ngiyathemba right, wherever lakhona. And if it's your first time coming across my content, please stay with me and subscribe on the channel. Please click, yenze njalo zonke lezo zinto. Nakhona ngithi angenze le video because I wanna share something nawe. Angithwali ukuthi if uyinja ye-game, sho uyayibuza nje kwenzakalani phethe ama-weapon next bangivuse something la bathi nje no more staying at home, siyavaya manje siyavaya yabo. So I got me a cane, ngizokutshela nje ukuthi ngithole kanjani because this thing discuss akusiyo yodwa ne. It's been like okay yeah iyafoleka nithi sikhona ukuthi siyi-package egrendi, sikhona ukuthi sishaye ivosho kamnandi. Okay, angayijwayeli mara ngizayijwayela, relax. Okunye engakakujwayeli obviously ukuhamba ngayo nje stradini on my own like that one kusazoba i-challenge. So yeah, ngiyazibuza nje ukuthi skipani ngale outing ule buhang umbukile njengamanje. He's blind, totally blind. It's been 10 years. Lost my sight back in 2015. So yeah. So since 2015 I've been trying with the yeah. And as for these assistive devices, I've been trying to get them, but kulokhu kuyacancela. So ngithi angenze le video for in case there's someone also out there, especially online khona endaweni yaseLikwa naye or struggle ngase disability, mhlambe umntanakini or something uyamazi. Ngizocela wenze sure ukuthi-ke manje uyasixhumanisa cause senginolayini-ke manje phethe iplug eli-serious. Okay, kungangena ama-customer. By the way, I'm doing this video live from Black Mike Studios. Black Mike Studios senzani. I'm sure yazibonela sikhala kumshini. Everything that has to do with the fabric sidila ngayo la indwangu into ezethu kahle kahle siyathunga ama-alterations and also what else manje ngayenza la. I'm very hard me guys so when it comes to what's going on with the business, like ukuthi kahle kahle the terminology yawo umthungo uhamba kanjani kuye kulahleke, but yeah, alterations siyanciphisa siyastisha, and uma ufuna si-designele we do design and tailor from scratch ama-garments noma ngabe yini oyifunayo. Isipani sala high quality for whoever uke wafika lana wasibonela angatshela nawe ukuthi no quality nje ngempela. So yeah, akuyona kuphela ikheni engiyitholile, nakhona ngiyithola kanjani. Let me just quickly shaya ama-shout-out yabo. So i-shout-out angiqale ngiyiphose kusisi wakhona la endaweni, Sis Angel Khanyile, okuyena oye wezwa ukuthi no kunomfowethu ethuthukane naye ophila nesimo esifana nesami. Is blind, totally blind. So ubesiza yena, makasiza yena kanjalo ngandlela thize. The guy ebekamcelile ukuthi am-assiste organize i-transport ukuthi ubrother akhone ukusondela ngapha ngasebeneni ngase-Standard Hospital. Then lo beka-organize i-transport thought ukuthi u-organizela mina cause the road manager engilikenayo sibloma nalo khona nje la endaweni la ishop ikhona. Mawuthi yasibuza ukuthi ishop ikuphi, Black Mike Studios. Black Mike Studios ila eTolo eSimendeni Thokoza next to yaseTsalanani la uzosifica khona. So yeah, umbovu wahlangana nami the other day yabuza ukuthi hey brother bengiko-organize i-transport uhambe njani, and I was like bro I have no idea ukuthi uringa ngani, but ngathi lento okhuluma ngayo lena engifuna ukuyizwa, and that's how I got plugged. So yeah, ngasondela-ke nami ngasesibhedlela. So those are the first two engifisa ukwenza shout out, u-Angel Khanyile, umbovu, then bese kuba COO yase-Standard Hospital yathi mayizwa-ke nayo-ke nangempela yahlanganisa ukuthi izinto zenzeke because uSis Angel uye wathinta yena direct wamtshela ukuthi hey kunesimo esiso i-Standard Hospital singa-assista ngani. Then ekuyena-ke engilokhu ngihamba naye le banga ubrother Winston Twala. He's an occupational therapist khona la e-Standard Hospital, who has been like so gentle and patient with me like ever since ngahlangana naye. I met the guy back in 2018 khona laphana esibhedlela. Ngangizele for okunye-ke ngoba nami nje ngiyokuziswa ngathi ngiyagula empela ngingagula yabo, but I think ngigula ngengqondo. So yeah, that's how I met a brother, and ever since we've been trying ukuthi siwathole lama-device. Then kulokhu kucancela-ke until recently wagcine ekhonile-ke ukuthi athole information yokuthi singawathola kanjani-ke sahlanganisa okanye yena wahlanganisa-ke with the lady called Nhlanhla, isibongo sakhe ngiyasikhohlwa, right? Mangisibiza ngisibiza wrong, Nhlanhla Lati usebenzela ngale ngasemajuba. So yeah, izinto ke engibuye nazo ile device le engiyithandayo. Yazi le yokwenzani? Actually wonke ngiyawathanda. Mara le nensimbi too much le, because le eyokwenza sure ukuthi mawungi-invite la, you don't have to worry about ukuthi hayi ubani uzothelelwa le drink, bro or sister, I can pour my own bath, like. So this one isebenza lokho ukuqinisekisa ukuthi whatever engithelayo ekhaphini iyangitshela ukuthi hayi no sekugcwele, yabo into esenjalo. Because even before bengizenzela itiye nani but bengingasho ngithi bengisebenzisa this thing like icup lena. Okay, yiphi icup? Sithi icup lena. What's up one now? Oh, iyaspan. Oh, bengijethi ibhetri liphelile. So by the way, I send this into since battery call. So let's say icup lena ngiyathela pop. Let's say ngitest ukuthi okay. Oh, seyashisa. So yabo ukuthi ngirisk nje ukuthi ngizilimaze. But now sengizovele ngilahlele my ntontoni and ngithele mayifika iyasho ukuthi kuzogcwala, iyasense mase gcwele irasi. Ngizwile irasi siyoyini khona seqala. Yes. Should say something endlula la. Okay, angiyazi ikhaliswa yini mara ikhalile. Yeah. Then this one, mawuzizwa ngathi ungangiphi inyuku ne, relax, kayimali. Ungangitsheli ukuthi imali mina ngizotshela wena ukuthi unginike imali. So nala ishop ke mabefika bezokhokha befice mina angisena stress, like I can count up money ngeke usamropa. So zwakala wena uzothungisa uphatha imali yakho ubuzohafa, mina ngizowenza sure ukuthi igayishintshe phelele. So this device counter imali, it only counts ama-notes by the way, because ama-coin I can feel ukuthi coin le imalini yabona into esenjalo, so ayisokolisa kakhulu. But just for ama-notes bengistruggle kakhulu because nale nto yabo-brailler le akusiya noma ubani. Ngake ngazama before ukucheck ukuthi ngi-understand nayi-brailler, but imali kimi yonke nje texture yakhona iyayifanele. So this device isizongisiza kakhulu, like yabo sengiyazi ukuthi okay 20 rand lena. Okay, I'm already aware ukuthi ngiphethe ama-20 out because bese ngi-checking. So lena isebenza lokho-ke this device ucounter imali. The other one is for ukala liquid. Then bese kuba ilo mfolo. Hey, umfolo mina naye sisazohamba, yezwa. Yeah, nama sengaqonywe ekudeni manje, no stress, ngizofaya ngiyachecka kamnandi kanjani. Because okunye futhi bekungistressa with navigating my ways mangihamba nje la endleleni. Because not that bengimind akusihambela, but yabona mawuzohamba, then especially abantu abadrivayo motorist will notice ukuthi angiboni, so obviously bekuba easy nje ukuthi bacishe bangikhohluze. So but with this thing it izobanikeza nje isignal ukuthi okay no, I think lo muntu esiya phambi kwakhe or lo muntu ozaphambi kwethu akaboni. And also yeah, nisayifunda la ngijwayelanga mara ngathi indlela nakunami, but yacishe izolo le time bangigaya be-right mangisesekhona. Namhlanje ushuthi ngishukile ngimfishane. So yeah, bengithi nje angishare leyo information ukuthi lukhona usizo for people who are visually impaired. Okwakho nje ungakwenza ukuxhumana nami, mina nami ngizophusha ukuthi uxhumane nabantu aba-right abangakutholela usizo ngempela okuyilona oludingayo. We have a WhatsApp group la khona kunabantu khona abaphila nokukhubazeka engiye ngayi-creator. Sikhubazeka ngokuhlukahlukana kwethu-ke. Ngithe mangiceda i-creator that group and ngithola iy'tori zabafowethu nabodadewethu esinabo na WhatsApp group. I was like damn, also abantu bayaphila la ngaphandle, like le nto le disability ngingasho ngithi as much as isilimita but ayizivimbe ekutheni siphushe amaphupho ethu and do things that we want to do. So yeah, LCN 360 Club ikhona on WhatsApp. Ngizoyenza sure ukuthi on my Facebook account and also Facebook page ngiyayifaka i-link ezokhona ukudirecta straight to i-WhatsApp group. So makuthi khona umuntu omaziyo o-disabled within iligwa la ele-municipality, ngizocela wenze sure ukuthi yamfikisela leyo WhatsApp ngakuyena okanye leyo link naye angena joine because inhloso yayo enkulu yini, it's more of a support, support network of some sort. But nje kokuningi makhona amathuba omsebenzi siyakhona nje ukuthi siwashare, then makhona umuntu odinga usizo si-check-e ukuthi lolo sizo sinayiphi information ukuze akhone ukusizakala kwento ezenjani. So yeah, sewusithi isikhathi ngawenzi manje ngingekho la phambi kwecamera, so when it comes to ukukhuluma, hey akusakhulumeki isikhathi eside, especially doing these monologues like ngize ngikhohlwe ukuthi enhleke ngifuna ukuthini, but nje le video ingabi yinde kakhulu ebengifuna ukushare ilokho. So yeah, ngiyabuya online. I'm definitely going to do more content because kuningi nje kuye kwathi ukungibamba. So Liqwa Community Network nayo isasekhona, izinto zisenzeka, make sure you go check it out. LCN mawusearch on YouTube or just say Liqwa Community Network across all social media platforms. Subscribe, like wakhona, follow wakhona, then you support nje umsebenzi esiwenzayo. Asihleli asilindele ukudatshukelwa, esikudingayo njengakuwe ukuthi mangabe unayo information or anything engakhona ukusisiza ukuthi siqhubeke senze izinto esifuna ukuzenza singabantu abaphila nokukhubazeka, please do hit us up and make sure ukuthi lolo sizo information onayo sayithola. Yebo
lo the spread
baba kanjani? Awe yeah, khuluma nami. Oh God. Oh, Lwazi ne?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm thinking ukuthi client. So yeah man. No, ungangena nje undlulo relax. Bengisashaya ivideo nyana. Siphusha content. Ngene masaba ama camera. Plus ufuna ukuba i-artist mawusho. Oh, i-artist nathi useyufuna.
See.
Awusiyo. So nini lokazi uthini? Hayi baba. PR marketing vele ngabe already yaqala mos usiyayiphusha. Hayi Lwazi, hayi. By the way, Ulwazi push amapiano shayinanga. So la Black Mic Studios ezinye zezinto esizenzayo, we have music recording equipment. So si kuleyo phase ukuthi silungise indaba ye studio nakhona isebenze kuphushwe. We also do ama podcast khona la ekhaya. So kuningi nje esiplan ukukwenza ngale building esikuyo. So mangabe you are a creative within yona iLiqwa, masabu ukuvakasha, come through check ukuthi sihlanganisa ini ndawonye sispanini. Otherwise, igama uLebohang Mr. LP WHNG nyengasho le video ngifuna ukuthi ibe yinde. First, lindela more naba nabo Lwazi. So ama session masiba nawo, doing music, doing podcast, we'll definitely upload khona la channel yami, and ngakhohlwa kule Liqwa Community Network. Ibalulekile le because iyafana le 9 to 5 yami. Asiphinde sihlangane next time.